As far as Ramadan being called as the month of supplication, a beloved Prophet said, it's mentioned in a Sahih Hadith of Al-Bayhaqi, Hadith number 6393, where the beloved Prophet said that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not reject the prayer of three kinds of people. One is the father who prays for his child, his son or daughter. The second is a fasting person, especially when he breaks his fast. And the third is the traveler. And our beloved Prophet ﷺ, he further said, it's mentioned in a Sahih Hadith of Ibn Majah, Hadith number 1643. The Prophet said that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala emancipates the slaves from the hellfire during every hour when the fast is broken. And does this every night. And our beloved Prophet also said, it's mentioned in Sahih Hadith of Sahih At-Targhib, Hadith number 988. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ransoms the Muslims from the hellfire every day and night in the month of Ramadan. And he answers the prayer of every Muslim every day and night in the month of Ramadan. So because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he listens to the supplication of the person who fasts and he gives a special status, that's the reason Ramadan is called as the month of supplication.